What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at the brand new line of cases for the iPhone 11 from i-Blason. Let's check them out. So these along the bottom are from the Aries lineup, and then the two up top are from the Halo. We're going to talk about the Halo first because they're the most minimalistic out of this line. So Halo, you're going to have all different colors for your new iPhone, and if you want to see those colors, you're going to get one of these. This is the Halo. This one is in black, which this is more of a grayish color, but when you order this one, it says black. That's what you get. You'll still be able to see that Apple logo. You're still going to be able to see that nice color. You're going to get protection right here along the edges, hard silicone edges along the front. You don't really get a raised bezel. You don't really get much protection on that screen, but you do get a bezel, a slight bezel. Your cutouts match up, your buttons match up right here, and your cutouts match up along the bottom. Everything looks really good, and it looks great in this case. This one is the Halo Clear, and it is what it says it is. It's just 100% clear. So whatever color you get, you're gonna be able to see that 100% through the back. Snap that all the way in. Everything matches up down bottom. Everything looks good along the side. Now remember, you're not really getting a bezel on the front of this, so you're gonna have to protect that screen. Everything else matches up, looks good. Camera cutout is nice and even, and it just looks good. You're gonna be able to keep the look of that phone and not lose it behind the case. So next up, we're gonna jump right into the actual Aries series. Now I'm not gonna try all four of these on because they're the exact same case. They just come in different colors. We're just gonna pick one, and today we're gonna be looking at the green one. So the Aries is known for its protective screen. So the cool thing about this one is you're gonna get a screen protector built in right here. On the other side, you're gonna get hard rubberized edges, hard TPU, hard shell in the back. You're gonna just drop that iPhone right in there. It's gonna snap on. Once you get it snapped on, you're gonna drop it down in this rubberized TPU. Make sure everything matches up, lines up, and is closed. And there you go. Camera cutout sits really nice right there. Buttons nice and clicky. Down bottom, everything matches up. You got your charging port right here, nice and hidden. Screen is gonna be protected. Now you have that plastic shell on the front. You also have these raised bezels on this edge. And then our buttons on the side match up as well. They're nice and tactile. You have this little flap over this cutout right here. Just peel that back and you can change this little toggle up and down. Like we said, it's a great case, and if you still want to be able to see the color of that iPhone 11 through the back of here, you got it all day long with the Aries by i-Blason. So there we have it, guys. This is the lineup from i-Blason. These are the Aries cases down here, and you have the Halo up top. Both variants are gonna be good if you wanna still see the color that's gonna be behind in that iPhone. It's coming in multiple colors, so grab you one of these transparent cases that are gonna protect and still allow you to see that stylish iPhone back behind there. So I'll drop a link below so you can check these cases out for yourself. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.